Welcome to Lorong Zaaba, Tamatun, Dr. Ismail. Today, Kok Haur and I will be showcasing an extra-large semi-D located in one of the most convenient parts of the area.
Convenient is because it's just a short walk to some of the best amenities that Kent really has to offer. With a land plot of total 5,080 square feet, land size, and an asking price of 3.85 million, this is the house not to be missed. Let's go!
In Lorong Zaaba, there's total 30 semi-D houses and 20 bungalow houses along the route.
This area is peaceful since only the residents who stay on this route will pass by here.
Just 3 minutes walking distance to the park in Taman Zaaba and 3 to 7 minutes walking distance to the TTDI commercial area. Not only that, if you are walking around the PJ area, it will be a good place for you since you can directly access to the LDB highway from Zaaba.
The standard bungalow land size in Lorong Zaaba is usually 6,000 square feet. And for the semi-D houses over here, usually the land size is 3,006 square feet. And for this home, with a land size of 5,080 square feet, is almost a land size of the bungalow. The past transacted price for a Lorong Zaaba bungalow house with a 6,000 square feet land size is around 4.5 million for a basic condition house. For the semi-D houses in Lorong Zaaba, the transacted price is between 2.75 million to 3.45 million, depending on the house condition.
Semi-detached homes share a common wall with a neighbouring unit only on one side, while a terrace house is sandwiched between 2 units. The only exception to this is the corner lot of terrace houses. However, in Malaysia, semi-detached houses tend to be slightly larger than terrace houses. One of the biggest advantages of staying in a semi-D house is that you have a bigger outdoor space. This will be attractive to homeowners who enjoy gardening or have that extra outdoor space for an al fresco lounging area.
Semi-D homes offer a wider frontage, so semi-D homeowners will find that they can park more cars inside and outside as well. Another plus point for semi-Ds is that it offers more privacy for its occupants than the terrace home. There are several key distinct features of this home that makes it a winning one. It is seated on an elevated land, so you're looking into your neighbours' homes on all 3 sides of the walls. It has a frontage of 46 feet in width and 119 feet in length. It has a built-up of 3,284 square feet. It comes with 5 bedrooms and 4 baths. This is what we would call a jumbo-sized semi-D.
The price point of this house is very attractive. Why I say so? Because in Zaaba, the houses here is already around 50 years old and it requires massive renovation or to tear down and rebuild the house.
For example, if you go for a Zaaba basic semi-D house with 3,006 square feet land size at the price of 2.8 million, plus a renovation cost to rebuild a semi-D house that will cost you about 1.5 million to 2 million, the total cost will be 4.3 million to 4.8 million for a rebuilt semi-D house in Zaaba.
For this house, the owner has already done massive renovation and with the land size of 5,080 square feet, and the asking price is only at 3.85 million.
If you like the house design and renovation, it will just require you to spend another 60,000 to 100,000 to touch up the house and you will be brand new.
The total cost will be around 3.95 million. For purchaser who is planning to do some minor renovation to the house, it will require them to spend another 200 to 300,000 to do some minor renovation and also the touch-up work. The total cost will be around 4.05 million to 4.15 million. Compared to the rebuilt semi-D house with the 3,006 square feet land size, which costs you around 4.3 million to 4.8 million, this house, the price point is still very attractive, which only costs you 4.1 million inclusive of the renovation cost to own this 5,080 square feet semi-D house.
Coming into the home, you will see that it has a large living hall with its own welcome gallery, I love homes with its own gallery. It adds a sense of glamour and a touch of class. But at the same time, it separates the home from the hustle and bustle of people going in and out. It has a TV den that comes with its own hardwood flooring. There is a large dining room with wall-to-ceiling collapsible doors. One of my favorite features of a semi-D home is that the entire one side of the house looks out into the straight-line garden. For terrace homes, the middle portion of the house is usually very dark because you can't get light into the house. For semi-Ds, you don't need to put in the extra effort of adding an air well or skylight because natural light comes in from the entire side of the house, including into the bedrooms. So some of our semi-D clients, what they've done is that they've transformed the side of the house into landscaping to give the home more privacy and also to bring nature into the house. There's a room and bathroom downstairs that can be either a helper's room or a granny's room. You'll notice that this semi-D has a flat line layout. There is a wet and dry kitchen, very suitable for the Asian family. There's lots of space and you will see that there's a huge wet kitchen that leads you into the yard and utilities area. And now, Kok Haur will show you upstairs to bring you more great features of the home.
The upstairs is nicely extended. Originally, the house and the living area is only up to this supporting beam that close to the window. And now, as you see, the living area is so spacious and you can use it as a fitness area, entertainment, or the office area. For semi-D houses in Lorong Zaaba, usually it only comes with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs. And for this house, it comes with a total of 5 rooms and 4 bathrooms. With these numbers of bedrooms, it provides you and your family a more personal space and also the privacy.
The sizes of the rooms here are spacious, which are able to fit in a queen-size bed and a wardrobe. The best part I love about the house is the master bedroom. It's so spacious and most importantly, it comes with a large wardrobe room and a master bathroom.
So this brings us to the end of the home tour. We hope that you have enjoyed watching our home tour at Lorong Zaaba, TTDI.
At 3.85 million, we think that this is great value. We're starting to see more and more demand for semi-Ds because they're perfect for small families or multi-generational families.
With such flexibility in its design, you'll find this semi-D house will serve you well more years to come.
If you'd like to take a look at the place, don't forget to give us a call or drop us a text. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to catch our next home tour video.
This is Kok Haur from Yin Homes.
I'm Yin Peng from Yin Homes, always happy to show you the place.